What's going on, guys? Welcome back. For those that are new to my channel, I am William Bootsy Blandon. We're going to take a quick ride and talk about MWR Financial. When I first heard about MWR Financial, guys, I wasn't interested at all. I mean, I wasn't even interested, not even a little bit. And I'm gonna tell you why. Reason why I wasn't even interested a little bit is because the comp plan. The comp plan was trash. Apparently the company's been in business for years. Probably, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years. I know it's been around over 10. But when I first looked at that comp plan, I was like, blew it away. I was like, no, not interested at all. When they did their 3.0, which is their latest update to their comp plan, it changed my mind, because the comp plan that MWR is using right now is the #1 comp plan in network marketing, hands down. I'm gonna say that again. It's the #1 comp plan in the industry right now, is the one they're using right now. And that alone got me interested. That wasn't enough to keep me, okay, this is what I want to do the rest of my life, but that got me interested. And then when I saw the reserve bank account, at first I was just thinking this was some alternative savings checking account where you can, maybe make 3 to 4% on your money. No, guys, this is basically your own. This will basically set you up with your own bank. So they're basically doing the infinite banking model, where you use whole life insurance and they set you up though. So it's not like you just being a part of MWR. It's not like you got to go seeking these professionals, and you're going to get a huge discount on the setup of the service. So, and mind you, when you die with this account, you're gonna have more of a death benefit for your family. So you're gonna have a huge death benefit, and you can borrow on it like an ongoing bank and pay yourself back interest. And I want to say, don't quote me on this, but I want to say they're bringing on average, I think, probably 12% on your money. So they're basically doing what the banks are doing, allowing you to become your own bank. Now you can start lending out this money for 4 or 5%, whatever you want to charge, because you're getting a higher return on your own money. So now you are a bank. But how I would use this, I would get as much money in it as you can by way of MWR. If you're an Uber, Lyft driver, that's one way. Whatever you're doing to bring in additional income, I would put it in this. And also I would put, maybe a reserve amount in a regular bank. So for me, a reserve account is a minimum of $5,000, and maybe more or less for you. But I put a minimum $5,000 in my regular bank. And that's just going to keep me from having to borrow unnecessarily from this private reserve account. That's all that's doing. And operate that way, because this thing is going to one day take care of your family, and it could take care of your businesses along the way. So you want to put as much money as you can in this. I would say, if you can, 50% of your income. Provided you're living on less than what you're bringing in, you can pull this off. So 50% of your income. That doesn't mean a lot of money. I mean, I think they said they could set this up for you for as little as $100 a month. Now, obviously, you're not going to go dipping in it, you know, when you first get it going. But if you really get going with this thing with MWR, you could possibly put away, instead of $100 a month, what if you could put away $1,000 a month? And disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just telling you this as an entrepreneur for informational purposes, that this is what I'm doing. Now I don't have to go looking for a company. When I'm ready to do my living trust is going to own this private reserve account, which is basically what I was going to do eventually anyway. If you guys have been following me, I've been talking about doing this anyway. So I've been talking about this for years now, that I'm going to do this living trust, have this infinite banking set up with the whole life, and just keep borrowing it as a bank. So just being a part of MWR, you have a huge discount again on setting this stuff up. This alone was what got me to get into MWR. I was like, yo, this is a game changer. This is what the credit plug we're talking about is a game changer. This is a game changer. Now, not to get off the subject, but something that's been bothering me a while is Glendon Cameron was talking about it. The real estate trapper was talking about it. And they were talking about building channels. And Glendon Cameron has a course right now where he's teaching people on building channels. I thought about doing something similar, but I now understand what Glendon is talking about. When you just give out stuff for free, it sets you up for failure. Because here on my channels, I was giving out a lot of game for free. I was giving out a lot of courses for free. I was giving out a lot of information for free. You know how many people took action? I'm not going to say absolutely zero, but maybe like 5 people took action. And the shit was all free. The minute I start selling stuff, people start taking action. So the problem is, I have a bunch of people that are subscribers on my channels now that I've attracted that will never do anything. And that was the real estate trapper's point, that he's getting worried that he might have to switch around and do some things to change his YouTube channel because he has a bunch of people not taking action. Now, why am I bringing this up? Because I probably had about 20 people that said the minute you sign up for MWR, will let me know I'm in. And they sat and they waited and they waited and they waited, and they're not taking action. And they're so worried about where they are in the pyramid that that's their excuse. Don't worry about where you are in the pyramid. If you got to get in MWR just for positioning to make money, don't get in. I'm gonna tell you right now, don't sign up. I want people to sign up for MWR to see the benefit in having a private reserve account, having a business that's gonna generate you revenue immediately. When you upload your work documents, your W-2 documents, they're gonna get you savings from your job. Then they have stuff like this private reserve account. Then for free, they're offering you to help you with your credit. If you're not going to get in for the benefits of MWR Financial, I don't want you to get in, because Glendon and the real estate trapper was saying they're tired of attracting the wrong people. And I am too. I don't want to attract people that aren't action takers. If you're not an action taker, I really don't, you're not the type of person I want to attract. You know, I'm not going to tell you to unsubscribe, but I'm not looking for you. If you're a person that just watches and never takes action, you're not the person I'm trying to attract. And I noticed those type of people are easily attracted by the credit card videos. That's why I don't do a lot of those credit card videos, because they're only trying to think about how to like get a quick hustle. They're not thinking about long term. MWR Financial should be your long-term plan. They got the best comp plan in network marketing. The best comp plan in network marketing, in my opinion, today. And I've seen over the years a lot of companies. This by far is the best comp plan. And a lot of the businesses used this comp plan, but they were like new companies. And they weren't going to survive anyway. They didn't have the financial backing. MWR already has a financial backing. They have people making millions in MWR. I'm not saying I am or you're going to make that much, but I'm not trying to make that much, guys. I'm trying to make I would say probably $4,000 to $6,000 a month is my go-to goal with just MWR. Now, is that going to make me rich? No, that's going to make me probably $100,000 a year. I'm fine with that because I got other shit going. I'm not like most of you guys where you just want to be content with bringing in money to live. I'm not good enough with that. I'm really not. I'm trying to build something long term with a company. This is why I chose MWR Financial, because I know you need financial help on this business journey. You're going to need access to accountants, CPAs, and why not get a discount for it for already being in a company that's already helping you anyway? That's the way I look at this thing. I'm joining a company that is going to give us the ability to fix your financial life as well as make you money. So if you're trying to get into MWR because you were just trying to get in a certain positioning, because I know I promised a lot of you guys spillover and all that stuff, and that was to get you guys hyped, and that was wrong because I'm attracting the wrong type of people when I do promotions like that. So I'm no longer going to try to entice you guys to get in stuff. Because I believe that's bringing in the wrong crowd. When I try to entice you guys to get on my email list at williamblandon.com or to sign up for MWR Financial, and I say, yeah, I'm going to promise you I'm going to get you spillover, that attracts the wrong type of people. That attracts lazy people that are only trying to get in for the positioning, and I do not want those type of people. My bad. I do not want those type of people. I only want the type of people that see the benefit like I see the benefit in this company. So again, I tell you guys, what are you waiting for? The reasons to get in this company are way beyond getting in a certain positioning because you want signups. Again, if that's what you want, don't sign up. If you're just looking for credit repair, don't sign up under me. If you're looking for a way to build a legacy with your private reserve account, and I can also teach you some tricks and strategies on setting up your LLC and getting this thing to benefit your family forever, those are the type of people I'm looking for. So if you're interested, my links are below. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.